Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already completed our exercise number 3.1. So today we will be starting a new concept, that is mod and median. Okay, and we will be starting the exercise 3.2's concept. Okay students, so we have discussed about the arithmetic mean in the last class students. So apart from that arithmetic mean, we also find some representative values, okay, which is very important and useful for us for calculating the usefulness of any particular data. Okay students, so firstly we will be talking about mode. What is mode students? Mode is anything or a number students, it can be more than one, okay, but mode is a number which is occurring most often in any data. Okay students, so mode, what is mode? Mode is the value that occurs the most often in any data. Alright students, so mode is the value that occurs most often in any particular data. Suppose students, this is the example of finding out the mode. So in this, find the mode of the given set of numbers. Okay students, in this given set of numbers students, firstly we'll arrange the same type of numbers together and similarly same types of number together. Okay students, so 1 1 1, okay, 1 1 and 1. After students, after 1 we'll talk about 2 2 2 2 and 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. After 2 students, we'll be talking about 3, only 1 3, and then 4 and 4. So students, in this form we have arranged the data in which the same types of numbers are occurring together. Now tell me, 1 is occurring 3 times, okay? Right students? 1 is occurring 3 times, right? 2 is occurring 4 times, right students? 1 is occurring 3 times, 2 is occurring 4 times, 3 is occurring only 1 time, and 4 is occurring twice, that is 2 times. So students, tell me the number or tell me the value which is occurring most often. Obviously students, 2, because 2 is occurring 4 times, right? So the value that is occurring most often is the mode of the data. So the answer of this thing is 2. Okay, as 2 is occurring the most often, that is 4 times. Okay students, so this is all about the mode. Talking about the similar example, so students, mode of a larger data, falling are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league. Students, these are the margins of victory, okay, of a football matches. Okay, find the mode of this data. We need to find out the mode, but firstly, if we are collecting the same types of numbers together, then it will be quite tricky for all of us now to remember what type of number is coming how many times, okay? So we'll find a table. So we'll draw a table, okay? Right students? In this, firstly students will have margins of victory. Margins of victory. Then we'll mark tally bars, okay, and after these tally students will be having number of matches, okay, that is the total of this tally bar. Okay students, now we'll be starting with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay students, anything apart from 6 is not coming here. So we'll calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 and draw tally how many times 1 is coming. Alright students, firstly we'll calculate for 1. So students, 1 coming 1 time, then 1 coming twice, okay, then 1 time, right? Then after this also, this is 5, okay, tally is complete here. Now students, 1, 1, 1 again, okay, and this one. So students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay students. So the number of matches is 9. Alright students, what is the number of matches? That is 9. Alright students, now students for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Anything else from the mark circles that belongs to 2? Nothing, okay. So students, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 14. Alright students. Now we'll be talking for, now students will be talking for 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So 3 is coming 7 times, okay students. 3 is coming 7 times, alright. Now students will be talking about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 4 is coming 5 times. Alright students. Now we'll see for the, now students will have a look at 5. 1, 2, 3, okay. So 5 is coming 1, 2 and 3 times. Talking about 6 students, how many times 6 is coming? 1, 2, okay. So 6 is coming twice. So students, these are the margins of victory, tally bars and number of matches. Alright students. So what is the mode of this data? Clearly students, 2 is coming most often. Alright students, as 2 is coming most often, that is 14 times. So mod is equals to 2, okay, because 2 is coming the most times, okay students. Looking at the another question, students, find the mode of the numbers. These are the numbers that are given to us. Now we need to find out the mode of these things. Students, in this 2 is coming 3 times, 3 is coming 2 times, 4 is coming 1 time, 5 is coming 3 times, 6 is coming 2 times and 8 is coming 1 time student. So basically 2 and 5. These are the two values that are coming the most often. So the mode of the given data or number is 2 and 5. These are the mode, okay, because they are occurring the most time, that is 3 times. Alright students. Now students will be talking about median. What is median? Suppose students we have a central tendency like this, okay. Suppose we have a central tendency like this students, then this thing. The central thing of this central tendency, the central part of this central tendency, that is dividing the complete value in 2 parts, 2 equal parts. Okay, this part and this part. This is called median, okay. So students, median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data, which is lying in the middle of the data, alright, when arranged in any increasing order or decreasing order. Alright students, refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in any ascending or descending order, with half of the observations above it and the half of the observations below it. Alright students, half will having the above part of it and half will be below part of it. Okay students, looking at the example of the median, okay, find the median of the data. This is the data given to us and we have to find the median of it. Firstly, we need to find this median. So we need to convert this thing or arrange this thing into ascending or descending order. So we'll first arrange in ascending order. Right, students? So starting with the least value, that is 17, then 18 students. After 17, 18, it comes 24, then 25, okay? Then students 35, then 36, then 46, okay students? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Out of these 7 values, students, okay, the central position is this 25, keeping the 3 and the 3 above it and 3 below it, 3 above it and 3 below it. The central value that is dividing the data into equal part is called median. So the median is 25. This is the median of the data, okay? And for finding out this odd, that is 7, how many observations are there? 7 observations are there. So this is odd. So n plus 1 upon 2 is the formula for finding out the mean for odd numbers, okay students? N is equals to 7 plus 1 upon 2. 7 plus 1 is 8 upon 2, that is 4th. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. Fourth term is your median. Alright students, so this is your answer. So students will be completing this particular exercise in your next class. Do study at your home. Have a nice day all of you. Bye-bye.